Today we're going to do an unboxing of a piece that I've wanted for a long time from a manufacturer that I don't have any cast iron from yet, which is new, Smithey. I also don't have anything in the size, which is a number 14. Smithey is made in Charleston, South Carolina. And this is a dual handle skillet, which I prefer in this size because the weight is a little unwieldy for a single extended handle. So here we go. So we have some literature here. Number 14 dual handle cast iron skillet, of course US made. It comes with care instructions and a getting started guide, first use, cleaning, etc. A little background on the Smithey company. So first impressions here, the finish is really well done. Let's move the box out of the way. The finish is really well done. It's got a nice bronze color from the pre-seasoning that they do. It's got Smithey on each handle. It's a good weight. We'll get a weight on it here in a minute. On the bottom we see the number 14 Smithey Ironware Company, US made, Charleston, South Carolina, with their logo. Yeah, so the weight of this is precisely why I wanted the two handles. Holding this size and weight of the skillet out with one handle would be difficult. I'm just going to take my machinist straight edge here. Let's go down to the smallest. This is 0.005 inches. I'm seeing so far is this this particular skillet is perfectly flat. I can't get the smallest feeler gauge I have in there, which again is 0.127 millimeters or 0.003 inches on the bottom. Let's check, or on the top edge, rather. Let's check the heat ring, see if we can detect any wobble. Right at 12 o'clock, nothing. Again with the thinnest of the feeler gauges. Zero wobble detectable. So that's at the 3/9. This is at the 6/12. 1 and 7. 2 and 8. Yeah, again, this casting appears perfect, which is something I would expect at this price point from a high quality manufacturer like this. So put the straight edge away. Let's see if we can get a weight. I know, I'm sure this is published online, but I always like to check. published data versus reality. Zero it out. It's a little clunky with a bathroom scale, but it's the best I got right now. 11.2 pounds. I've got that reading twice, so I trust that. So 11 pounds, you know, that's a tough handle with a single handle. But again, just a beautiful piece. Looking forward to using it. It's got that nice bronze color to it after the initial factory seasoning. Also, the glass lid was part of this deal. This is a rather large, again, number 14. Lid oven safe to 400, which is nice. A lot of the glass lids that come with some products, they're oven safe, but not to a very high temperature. Very attractive. This will allow me to cook a very large meal for the whole entire family, rather than using 2 or 3 or 4 different skillets for the meat and chicken, etc. I can likely fit it all into one. So there you go. Very impressed with this product. Thanks for watching.